हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नभुल्नुहोला। अनि दायाँतिरको घण्टी चिन्हलाई पनि थिच्नुहोस् ताकि सबैभन्दा पहिला तपाईले हाम्रो भिडियो अपलोड भएको जानकारी पाउनुहुनेछ। धन्यवाद।
www.pokharavoice.com Pokhara Voice presents.
Welcome back, friends. As you know that we have been learning English. आज म तपाईहरुलाई past tense मा वाक्य कसरी बनाउने। जस्तो म बजार गए। I went to the market. उसले एउटा फिल्म हेर्यो। He watched a movie. हिजो राति मेरो हजुरआमाले एउटा कथा भन्नुभयो। My grandmother told a story last night. My grandmother told a story last night. हिजो हामी क्रिकेट खेल्यौं। We played cricket yesterday. म सोमबार विद्यालय गइन। I did not go to school on Monday. केटीहरू यहाँ ब्याडमिन्टन खेल्ने गर्थे। Girls used to play badminton here. के तिमीले उसलाई भेट्यौ? Did you meet him? तिमीले टेलिभिजन बन्द गर्यौ? Did you switch off the television? तिमीले बनाना किन्यौ? Did you buy banana? तिमीले मेरो चिठी प्राप्त गर्यौ? Did you get my letter? तिमी विद्यालय गयौ? Did you go to school? कोही व्यक्ति आएको थियो? Did anybody come? तिमीले ढोका बन्द गर्यौ? Did you lock the door? तिमीले झ्याल बन्द गर्यौ? Did you close the window? तिमीले कलम फिर्ता गरिदियौ? Did you return the pen? तिमीले मलाई बोलाएका थियौ? Did you call me? Did you call me? उनले केही भनिन्? Did she say anything? Did she say anything? तिमीले किताबहरू किन्यौ? Did you buy books? के तिमीले यो कविता बुझ्यौ? Did you understand this poem? तिमीले पत्रिका पढ्यौ? Did you read the newspaper? Did you read the newspaper? Did you read the newspaper? ऊ सोमबार यहाँ आयो। He came on Monday. He came here on Monday. ऊ यहाँ किन आयो? Why did he call here? With whom? With whom he came? With whom he came? कोसँग ऊ आयो? With whom did he come? कोसँग ऊ आउँछ? Did you eat? तिमीले खायौ? Did you write? तिमीले लेख्यौ? How did he come? ऊ कसरी आउँछ? He came to meet my father. ऊ मेरो बाबालाई भेट्न आयो। He just came to see me. He just came to see me. ऊ मलाई भेट्न आयो। He came along his wife. ऊ उसको श्रीमतीसँग आयो। He came alone. ऊ एक्लै आयो। In such a way, you can make sentences in past tense. Remember, we use subject V2 plus object in past tense. All the best. Take care.